DConnect is a service for the remote control and management of systems that simplifies routine work, improves customer satisfaction, and suggests new sales models. It is the new portal homepage, which provides new tools. In this way, you can choose to view only the data you use every day and decide how to display it. It is fully customizable because some people find it easy to remember places, others names. In either case, it is easy to find each installation. The systems are shown on a geographical map, and the colored indicators indicate their status. Green means everything is okay. With the yellow color, you need to pay attention. With the red one, there is an error. The pins allow each professional to set up homepage according to their work. For example, administrators can go directly to contracts, while maintenance personnel can go to errors. Everything can be configured easily at any time.